Stephen Warren and Dan Schmidt from Intermountain Health and Wellness joining me now. This is our sponsored segment, and we're talking about 3 things maybe you've heard of. I want to go into a little more detail about radio frequency, ultrasonic, and laser lipo. Dan, what are those different treatments without surgery?
They are. They're all different treatments. They're all for skin tightening and fat reduction, non-surgically. So what's neat, as you lay there, your body is finally exercising its fat to get rid of it. So rather than going to gym and working out and trying to break down that fat cell, we're actually doing it as you lay there, just kind of having a nice little nap and just relaxing.
But so many of us have gone to the gym and you have done your workouts and tried to eat better, and there's stubborn spots that just won't move.
Absolutely. In fact, there's, when we do that, we're actually spot treating those areas. So what happens is that fat cell actually starts to break down in that area. So we're actually taking and getting rid of fat in the area you want to, rather than when you go to the gym and trying to work out, it's going to take it from wherever we want, right? Dan, we lose it in the face and, other areas first.
You wish you could choose, don't you?
You do.
Wish you could say,
and with this, you can choose.
You can.
So you can say, I want to get rid of this, my whole stomach, I want to get hate handles, no love handles there.
I like it.
I want to get rid of the inner thigh, arms, all those
Okay,
areas.
so say I have the hate handles. Which one do I do? The radio frequency, the ultrasonic, or the laser lipo?
It all depends. Usually we'll open it up. Laser lipo actually opens up the fat cells, so what's trapped in fat can actually escape, and your body can use it as a source of energy immediately. So we might want to do that. When we want to do skin tightening, we'll use radio frequency. You'll see some before and afters. Those are after, but you'll see there's before, and you can see just that hard, dense fat actually breaking down. But we also want to tighten the skin at the same time, right? So we just don't want to lose fat. We want to lose fat and tighten it. So we'll use radio frequency after the laser.
Summer's about 6 weeks away. Could I feel better and look better by then? How many treatments do you need?
Absolutely. You really want to do about 5 to 6 treatments. You can go up to 12. It all depends on what your body needs. Those aren't really matching, by the way, up there on the screen, but that's all right. But you'll see a difference. And the neat thing is you'll see it immediately, right from when you get up off the table. Yes, a measurable difference. We're taking a solid to a liquid. We're not doing anything more magical than just making your body burn what it normally does.
I said to Dan and Dr. Warren, you're making people feel good. Like you're in the happy business.
They do.
We are.
Right?
And some people just, they go to the gym. You talked about it. They're working out. They're not getting any real result. Some of that can actually be a little bit more medical. So when it comes to that, we also have Dr. Warren here that actually takes care of the things with the medical problem.
What do you mean?
Well, we're trying, we've talked before here about hormones, and we know that's important, so we want to look at everybody's hormones. We're looking at people's insulin levels. We're looking at that individual person to see if there's any medical treatment that we can do. So we're using some pharmaceutical medications to try to help them lose weight. We're tailoring that plan just to them. We're looking at what foods they need to eat, whether they need, something called GAC, which they get shots of, whether they need, a little phentermine mixed with HCG or mixed with, metformin if they're insulin resistant. We're looking at that individual person based on their lab results and then designing a diet program for them. Then we turn it over to Dan to do his treatments, and then if we have those stubborn spots, we even have injections, lipoblast, basically put into that melts that fat along with these machines.
Dr. Warren, who is this for? Are you talking to men and women out there? Are you talking to younger or older?
Everyone. Everyone that just wants to make a change in their body, get that tune up and just feel better about themselves. Like you talked a few minutes ago, it doesn't matter if you're young or old, you just want to feel good about yourself and happy about who you are and your body.
It's that relationship with the mirror, isn't it? It's so individual for each person that comes to see you guys.
Exactly.
And your own worst critic.
I agree.
I have people that say, I'm sorry, my spouse never sees me without, undressed because I just don't feel good. You don't need to have that anymore. You can feel better about it.
Let's give our viewers the special you're doing right now.
Absolutely. So what we're going to do is it's normally $99 for a treatment. When you get 2 treatments, you actually get it for $75 a treatment. Also, we're going to do a consult with Dr. Warren as well, as far as what's happening with that stubborn area that you're just not going away. So we're kind of doing everything. So you're getting free consult, you're getting 2 laser treatments. Those laser treatments are $75 each. Or radio frequency ultrasound, first 40 callers.
And go to their website or ours, and we can link you to all that information if you have questions. Intermountain Health and Wellness.
And let me say one thing real quick, if that's all right. And that is, it's Mother's Day coming up. You've sacrificed your body for your kids. It's time to get your body back.
That's true.
And we can help you.
I love that you look right
time
at the
for your
camera.
Mother's
Mom's
Day.
time. It's
Yes.
your turn.
It's not your fault.
Now it's
we can help you.
Now it's Brian's turn. Brian, back over.